Hello everyone and welcome back. Do you know you can make $1,000 in 13 minutes with Google? I know it sounds impossible, but well, during this video, I'll be able to show you a technique that you can use to make this happen. And the best part is that you can do that for as long as possible, guys. If you like making money online, leave a big thumbs up to this video. And if you aren't subscribed yet, then why not? Hit that subscribe button and also activate notifications so you never miss out on any daily uploads. In this video, I'm gonna show you a method that is proven to be working. I've tried it for an entire week and I'm still making plenty of cash from it. And you will also be able to use it to make $1,000. And don't worry, you will not be selling anything or record any video or buy anything whatsoever. I know you might be wondering how that's possible. So here is a step-by-step tutorial on how to make $1,000 every 13 minutes. First on the list on how to make $1,000 in half an hour with Google, we have number 1. Freelance. On Google search, type freelance and some websites will come up. Few of these sites are Fiverr, Upwork, Freelancer, etc. These are freelance markets where people will hire you for nearly anything. The 4 most popular gigs of all time are freelance jobs like copywriting, proofreading, graphic design, and a dozen of other categories. And there are tons of ways to monetize your talent, regardless of how obscure that talent may be. I've seen freelancers who offer to write poetry, some freelancers write songs, some just draw portraits of people. You get the idea. As I said, there are a lot of various ways to earn money with Fiverr. And back when Fiverr began, the price of everything was $5. But today, you can set prices as high as you want. While most freelancers still offer a basic version of the service for $5 rates for things like illustrations, animations, SEO, writing, the amount of money you can earn on Fiverr is absolutely limitless. And also, websites like Fiverr offer different payout options depending on your country. But the most affordable and most convenient one for a lot of people is PayPal. But it doesn't really matter. If you're from another country, you can use other payment methods. And by the way, on Fiverr, when you complete a gig, you have to wait 14 days after the completion to get that money. And after that period is over, you will be able to transfer the funds to your account. Upwork is another popular freelance site. You'll be able to earn a solid full-time income on Upwork, but those jobs tend to be more skill-based and less random than those you find on Fiverr. The second way you can earn $1,000 in 30 minutes with Google is number 2. Test websites and apps. You can make $1,000 in 30 minutes by testing websites and apps on Google search. Among these websites is usertesting.com. With usertesting.com, you'll provide feedback to developers about new websites and applications. It's 100% legit and well-known. Clients like Walmart, Adobe, and a recent case example highlighted on the company's website show how users helped Adobe fine-tune its latest Creative Cloud tutorials. The pay is good enough, and therefore the work is fairly straightforward. You will typically watch a brief video, visit an internet website, try out an app, complete some straightforward tasks, and record your feedback via video or audio. PayPal payments are sent 1 week after the project's completion. The third way to earn $1,000 in 30 minutes with Google Search is number 3, getting cash back from online stores. With Google Search, you can find platforms like Rakuten, among others. With Rakuten, you will be able to get up to 40% cashback from over 2,500 stores. You don't have to worry about forms or points. Just use Rakuten.com or the Rakuten Cashback app for online shopping, and you will earn from your eligible purchases. I know it sounds great, but is it legit? Rakuten may have a funny name, but it's a large Japanese company with a long-standing reputation. It is a must-have service for frequent web shoppers because it consistently offers a number of simplest cashback rates, and you will find that it encompasses a hassle-free cashback tracking and payouts. You can stack online coupons and promo codes together with Rakuten Cashback, and one of the simplest ways is by adding an online shopping extension like Honey. And it's an extension that searches the net for discount codes and automatically applies them for you. Make sure to download the Rakuten browser extension, and it will provide you with a warning anytime you visit a site with a cashback offer, and it will show you whether that offer has been activated. The payment option is via PayPal. Another way to earn $1,000 from Google Search is by taking surveys. There are plenty of free sites to earn money from Google Search that pay you to complete online services. You can sign up in less than 10 seconds and start completing surveys immediately, and earn points that are redeemable for PayPal cash. These sites, for example, include SurveyJunkie. If you're searching for ways to get free PayPal cash, taking surveys through SurveyJunkie is the best overall option. It is ranked as the most effective survey website, and since most of the surveys on this website are quick and straightforward, it's a good option for people that only have a couple minutes throughout the day. Then we have Prize Rebel. This is a free site that pays you to finish online surveys, and you will be able to sign in 10 seconds, start completing surveys immediately, and earn points that are redeemable for PayPal Cash. And then we have Swagbucks. Swagbucks is a popular reward and cashback site that provides several ways to earn free PayPal money, including watching short videos, searching the net, and answering surveys. There are over 20 other ways to earn points on this website, and thus far the company has paid out nearly $500 million in rewards. We also have Inbox Dollar. Inbox Dollars is owned and operated by the identical company that runs Swagbucks. That's not surprising given the similarity between the two websites. A bit like Swagbucks, Inbox Dollars gives you a couple ways to earn extra cash from taking surveys to playing web-based games. Then we have Prolific Review. Prolific sends you surveys and studies from top companies and universities, which might be a pleasant change from the basic, more generic survey content offered by other companies. You can learn more about the survey website listed above using Google search. Unfortunately, there is no way to get free PayPal money instantly. The methods in this video are relatively fast and straightforward, and you will be able with a bit of work to earn $1,000 in 30 minutes using all these apps. But they will still take a bit of time and effort. And that's about it for today's video. If you have learned from this video, don't forget to leave a big thumbs up to this video, subscribe and activate notifications. And that's about it for today. I'll see you tomorrow with another one. Take care guys.